Does this go this slow during season? Take this left. You guys very nice. Oh, you do?
Do it before.
Looks like they did some work on the alpine slide.
Huh?
Looks like they did some work on it.
How old has it? I mean, how long has this been?
It's been here forever.
Yeah.
The whole time we've had our place, it's been here at least.
And longer than that.
Yeah.
Because
We've done this
when the kids
very
were,
little.
yeah.
In
Yeah. Winter Park was the one that had it first. Because we did that before kids. I think we did that before we were married.
40.
No, I guess we never came out here during the summer.
There's a lot of little daisies. It's windy. Guess we can do the roller coaster then. Oh, we'll do that one.
Isn't the line too long?
No, shut up. Mine and little just wait in line. I want to get this over, do this, and go home and have real coffee. So I had them guzzle it. Oh, something to do on a non-work day. I can't believe I got to day
Yeah.
off
See,
and
it's a good thing I
pay attention.
read.
Cheaper.
Check the paper online.
Apparently they brought it back this year. It used to be something they did every year.
Really? Our kids worked up here when they were in college. They used to have like a food area, not in the restaurant. They would have to haul all the food and equipment every day.
Oh,
And they worked up here in the summer because we have a condo here. And back then, you know, you couldn't really rent it. No one rented. You know, you didn't get any good customers in the summer, so they just lived up here in the summer and worked.
where was your condo?
Well, it's on Ridge. We live there now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
We're
we live
we're
here.
up here full
we
time.
live here full time. We have for about 8 years.
Yeah, the post office and the what's it called, the Breck Market and Liquor. That's probably like a little close to you, right?
It's
Yeah,
just a block away.
block away.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
across the street from the Orem.
Oh, Orem, yeah, I know
Yeah.
what that is. I was gonna say, because Ridge Street, the little market that they have there, they have like some pretty decent breakfast sandwiches that are only like $6.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the only reasonable things they have in there.
grocery
Yeah.
That
store.
place is expensive. We don't even go there that often, and it's really convenient. But it is convenient.
Yeah.
So if we need something,
Just go there.
we don't have any milk, and we're
Oh,
making something. You just go there and get it.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
I mean, like you can walk to City Market, but like that's a little
Yeah.
bit longer.
yeah.
It's like, I think it's about a mile. You could ride your bike. Right now my bike doesn't have brakes, so that doesn't work that well, but got trashed by the winter. We don't have a garage, it's our only bad side.
Yeah.
But we have an overhang no garage.
Yeah, the second floor overhangs the where we park, so.
Yeah, so it's not too
So-
bad.
So do you own it completely, or?
Yeah, we
Almost.
bought it when it was just coming out of the ground back
We've
in.
had it like 30 some years. 31, I guess.
34.
Well, I mean, you could
No.
probably like build a garage for it, right? Or like.
No,
No.
not really. No, our parking, we have like 2 parking spaces, and then we have, our unit is on the end, so you can use, like, when our son comes up, he parks behind us. So no
Oh.
problem. But the parking's, it's limited parking.
Yeah, there's 4
Yeah.
units.
So there's
There are
4
4 townhouses.
Okay.
You know, it's above. You know, we're across the street from Orem, but 1 story up.
So there's
okay.
office spaces on the first floor.
And then you drive up,
But
and
it's-
there's parking for the
Yeah.
4 townhouses.
And only 1 person rents it out. The other people, you know, don't really use it that much. So
Okay.
So it's pretty private, actually. We're just saying that today. We took the bus over today. We've never.
The bus stops right outside,
Mhm.
and you know, the purple.
Oh, the purple route.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then from our place, from where the stop is in front of the Twist restaurant, which is right next to us. And you know, there's only 1 stop before it gets to the gondola, so it's pretty convenient. I mean, the place is, yeah, we're very, very blessed to own it. We bought it in '93 when it was just coming out the ground, and we were living in Florida at the time. And it was finished in '94. And you know, back then, I mean, you know, the Orem, of course, didn't exist.
Mm-hmm.
You know, what was on Ridge Street was really fairly limited. None of the art stuff was there. You know, that all came. They bought all that and put those buildings in all afterward.
And then there was height restrictions on where the Orem was put. They had.
That was a vacant
that was
lot.
A vacant lot, but there was height restrictions. So we still have really good views at our place. It's really.
And our hot tub, we're the only of the 4. We're the only ones that have a deck on the west side that is large enough to accommodate a hot tub.
Oh.
So
Okay.
and our hot tub, I mean, our views out of our hot tub are this. You know,
That's pretty good for what
Yeah.
you get. I mean.
it's actually more, I guess, than that.
It's great
Yeah,
though.
but
Yeah.
it's pretty spectacular. We're very, very fortunate.
And it's big enough, really. We're close to retirement. We aren't quite retired, but close. So,
Mhm.
I mean, we have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. I mean, it's plenty big enough. Garage would be nice, but we don't care about the snow part of the garage. So, we just would want it for junk. And who needs
Yeah.
more junk? So. Are you just visiting, or do you live in Colorado?
I live over in Breckenridge,
Oh,
or on
okay.
the outskirts of the town, kind of.
Nice.
Been here for a year and a half, and it's been really fun. Not bad.
Are you working here?
Not at Breckenridge. I work over at A Basin, and that's pretty fun. I'm also in the transition, so I just left the job that I had over at one of the hotels out in there. I'm working out in Silverthorne. It's not bad. It's just some of the jobs just don't pay well, and you got to figure out like which one is really the right one for
Yeah.
you.
If you're a mechanic, you could get a good job up there.
I've heard a couple things about that. Apparently, you can just like be a groomer whenever you want to, like not like during the summer, but like, you know, you can apply to be a trail groomer at night. And from what I hear, the hours are like pretty decent. Like you can start at like 4:30 and like end at like 12 at night, which doesn't sound too bad. But then like they always, oh, we need people for the midnight shifts.
Right.
And it's like,
That's where they probably start people out.
yeah.
It is the midnight shift.
Yeah, our son, we tried to talk him, I mean, for he's a car mechanic, but we tried to talk him to come up here and work and just live with us for a year to save money because pay is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
And but yeah, just get that all over his parents. But it's consistent up here compared to where he's at. It's not very consistent. I'm assuming they have this thing go a little faster during ski season.
Yeah, in the ski season, they don't even put the chair down by this half tower right here. They just throw it up on top and they keep it spinning. I don't know how fast it goes, but it seems like it's pretty fast. Faster than this.
I guess because of little kids.
Good with the bar?
Yeah, sure. It's harder to get out of the lift when you're walking.
That's why they have it so slow.
Yeah.
All right, this chair's gonna be moving behind you. Once you get off, you're gonna run to your right. 1, 2, and 3.